Okay, our first new type of embellishment is called a cambiata. It's a fancy name. It sometimes means changing tone also. Now this one it's kind of complicated actually, because it's 4 notes long. It's not just, two consonant skips in a row or something like that. It's a 4 note maneuver you can do that basically will move you down a minor third. You can also invert it, but it's less likely. If you inverted it, you would end up a minor third. Much more common is to have it descending. So what we're going to do to make it happen, let's try to put one here. So I'm on a third here with my F to A. So I want to end up a third underneath. So I'm going to end up underneath this note. So I'm going to end up on a D. So let's try to put that D there. Okay. So this is where I want to end up. Now I got 2 notes to put in here. So my middle 2 notes can be consonant or dissonant. There's going to be a skip between the middle 2 notes. So what I'm going to do is go down a step and then down a skip and then up to my third. So these 2 notes can turn out to be consonant or dissonant depending on what you're doing. In my case, this is a fourth from E to A, so that's a dissonance. C to A is a sixth, so that's a consonant. And then I'm to my third away from where I started, which is a fifth in this case, D to A. So the pattern is we're going to go down a step, down a skip, up a step, and that gets me a motion of a third from the first note to the second note through this little ornamentation. Now, why does this get a special term? It's kind of an exception to a rule that we're not supposed to approach or leave a dissonance by a leap. So if this turned out to be a dissonance, which it could, it's not in our case, but it can, then I would be skipping into a leap, which is not normally something we want to do, right? So this lets us get away with it, this whole 4-note maneuver called a cambiata. It's kind of weird. It's kind of I don't know. It's okay. I was going to say it's like putting a big word on something, but it is a rule of counterpoint. You should know what a cambiata is. So that's how it works. Let's go over it one more time. We're going to step down, and then we're going to skip down, so that's going to be a third, and then we're going to step up, so that's going to be a second of some type, and that's going to get us a minor third away from where we started. The middle 2 notes can be consonant or dissonance, and they are going to have a leap in them. A skip in them.